did the D Street pan out in yesterday's trading session? It was indeed quite a volatile trading session. Both the Nifty as well as Nifty Bank, we have seen both the index actually flip-flopping between the red and the green territory. But which were the key gainers and losers in sectorally? How did the picture pan out? Let me take it across to Snehi for all those details.
Well, that's absolutely flat day of trade is what we saw, and if you take a look at what the Nifty did, ended absolutely flat, even sub the 24,650 mark, so 24,635 thereabouts to be precise, is where the Nifty shut shop. Towards the midday mark of the day, we did see some recovery coming in, where we had managed to surpass the 24,700 mark, but all of those gains were once again reversed, so very topsy-turvy day of trade is something that we've seen. Some Nifty gainers then, Titan, Wipro, SBI, IndusInd Bank and Dalco did well. On the flip side, pressure continued on the index from Maruti Suzuki, Axis Bank, Dr. Reddy, Adani Enterprises as well as L&T. Nifty Bank did nominally better than the benchmark, so 0.3% uptick coming in for that one, largely pulled through by the PSU banks, because Nifty PSU Bank was the top sectoral gainer, about a 2% uptick coming in on an intraday basis. Indian Bank, Bank of Baroda, Bank of India, Canara Bank, SBI, PNB, Maharashtra Bank, all of them did very well for themselves. This was followed by Nifty Realty, Energy, Metal, Nifty Bank, FMCG and IT on the flat line, along with Pharma on the flat line with a hint of a negative bias, joined there by Auto and Nifty Media. For Nifty Auto as well, it was Maruti down 2%, big pressure on that, followed by some names like Hero Motor, Exide, Eicher Motors and Bajaj Auto also to look out for. Other than that, some big movers. Vascon Engineering was up about 19%. Wockhardt was up about 16%. Reddington, Godfrey Phillips, Usha Martin, Schaeffler, HPCL, BPCL, Bandhan Bank, all your oil and gas stocks like Petronet, Oil India, HPCL, BPCL, GAIL, all of them did very well for themselves. So that was a roundup of the kind of day we saw on the street. But all eyes are going to be on when we're meaningfully able to cross that 24,700 mark, or even higher perhaps, because 25,000 seems like a distant dream for now.
All right, thank you so much, Snehi, for getting us all those details. But with this, viewers, let's move on. Let's also tell you which are the stocks that are going to be in focus today in today's trading session. Firstly, let's talk about Phoenix Mills, as the company has come out with its 2030 guidance for across the segments. And firstly, with respect to office segment, they are targeting 9 million tons of square feet. Hotel keys are expected to be at 2,188 keys by 2030. And for the residential projects, 7 million tons of square feet is what they are targeting. Other than that, in terms of the other stocks, the railway counters will be in focus today, as there's an announcement related to new tracks for Bhutan, wherein India will invest over 4,000 crores for that. So we will be watching out for this particular counter. And along with that, we will be also watching out for NOSIL, because there has been a DGTR initiation for an anti-dumping duty for one of the chemicals, and on the back of that, NOSIL will be in focus today, and this is indeed a positive news flow for this particular counter. Positive news flow indeed coming in on Keynes Tech as well, as UST and Keynes Semicon have partnered to set up a 3,330 crores JV for semiconductors. So all eyes on this one. And lastly, DCB Bank will be in focus, as RBI approval has come for Aga Khan Fund to acquire 61 lakh shares with a lock-in of 5 years. So these are the stocks that we will be watching out for in today's trading session.
Absolutely, Srishti. Lots of stocks to watch out for. But let's also get in Sharad to take stock of which are the other counters that we need to track. Sharad, over to you. Which are the stocks that you are tracking this morning?
Focus is Man Industries, as SEBI has issued its final order against the company and its promoters, and have stated that their forensic audit found out that non-consolidation of the subsidiary MSPL were hiding their losses, and loans over 560 crore rupees from the subsidiaries were routed and later converted into advances as well. Also in focus is Tata Motors, as Moody's outlook on the company's corporate family ratings has actually declined to negative from the positive conditions. And of course, a lot of buzz was coming in the cyber security risks which were there, and after that a recent management change was also there, where PV Balaji has taken in the reins as a CEO for the JLR division. Also Dixon Tech, they have incorporated the arm for all kind of electronic related products, and this is for batteries, lithium ion battery cells, and even digital application battery pack and battery modules. It will be supported for the stock. And also Blue Dart Express, the company has announced a 9 to 12% general price increase with effect from 1st January 2026. And the customers who will be signing up between 1st October and till 31st December will not be impacted by the price increase. And lastly, BEL would be in focus. It will be supportive for the stock as they have received almost 1,092 odd crore rupees coming in between 16 September till date.